Ever wonder how a design becomes a real app? We're going to look at an AI that's completely flipping the script.
You know, that moment when a designer hands off to a developer, it's famously a huge pain. Doing this by hand is slow, full of mistakes, but an AI agent, it gets it done instantly and perfectly. And the solution is an AI agent powered by Gemini. It reads Figma designs and writes production-ready code. Think of it this way. It sees like a designer but acts like a developer. It really understands the UI.
So, how does this whole thing work? Well, it's all about its cool hybrid architecture.
The system's basically broken into 3 parts that work together, mixing edge and cloud computing.
First up, you've got the brain and hands. This part actually navigates Figma just like a real person would. Next, for persistence, everything it builds gets automatically and securely saved to Google Cloud Storage.
And finally, the presentation. A live dashboard pops up so everyone can see the result immediately. And this is the really cool part. You can actually see the agent moving the mouse in Figma.
And the whole thing, from design change to live code, happens in just a few seconds. That's it.
So what this does is close the loop. It connects that physical automation right to cloud deployment.
But it's not just about generic code. So what's next for this thing?
The next big step is teaching it to use a company's own internal design system components. So just imagine, what if an AI could build new features using your company's own unique building blocks?